Hello and welcome. Have you ever received a notice or any other document from GST department and wondered if it's real? Well, here is a functionality on the GST portal itself which can help you verify the authenticity of such documents. This functionality is called Verify RFN. RFN here is reference number. In today's video, let's see how easily you can verify the authenticity of such GST related documents. Basically, we are going to use this Verify RFN tool and check if a document is real or fake. Let's also understand the situations in which this tool is going to be useful to you. Here is an order of rejection in form GST REG05 which has a reference number. Because of privacy concerns, I have masked other details. Let's now verify the authenticity of this order. Navigate to the GST portal, click Services, User Services, Verify RFN. You would be navigated to this screen. Enter reference number of the document, enter CAPTCHA, click Submit. If the document is issued by the GST department, then you would get details like date of RFN generation, date of issue of the document, type of communication, name of the office issuing the document, and so on. If the document is not issued by the GST department, then you would get a message, no records found. One important thing to remember is you can use this tool to verify documents that are issued only by state GST officers. For instance, you can use this tool to verify documents that are issued by, say, an SGST officer in Karnataka. This tool is also useful especially to check documents that are generated offline or physical documents. That is, the documents that are not generated on the GST network. But you can use this tool even to verify documents that are generated online. One question that would come to your mind would be, what if you get a notice or any other document from central GST officer instead of state GST officer? For this, there is a different functionality called DIN search. DIN here is document identification number, which is required to be mentioned on documents issued by central GST officers. You can find the link of this in the description. Process is similar to what we have just seen. So whether the document is issued offline or online, whether it is issued by the state GST department or the central GST department, use these tools to check if documents are genuine or fake and keep yourself safe from scams. With this, let's wrap this episode. Hope it was informative. Thank you for watching.